Structures of atom. Wave of an electron in nth orbital lambda is equals to 2 pi a naught into n. Number of spectral lengths produced when electron moves from n1 to n2, n2 minus n1 whole into n2 minus n1 plus 1 by 2. n2 bottom number, n1 short number. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Delta x dot delta p is greater than equals to h by 4 pi. Momentum আসলে n এর third number mass. h by 4 pi is equals to 0.53 into 10 is power 34 minus 34. Delta x dot delta v greater than equals to h by 4 pi m. Momentum ଥିଲେ ତଳେ mass ରହିବନି କିନ୍ତୁ momentum ନଥିଲେ mass ଆସିଯିବ velocity ରହିଲେ. Quantum mechanical operation psi no physical significance can be negative in graph. Psi square has physical significance of giving probability density of finding an electron in small volume. In 1s orbital, psi and r are maximum point of probability of finding an r distance node. Node है where space where probability of finding an electron is zero. Number of times psi square versus r touches of the graph field number of radial nodes. Never negative in graph in a square value ଲାଗିଛି. Dumbbells रे in between the axis ହେଲେ dxy, dyz, dzx. Along the axis ହେଲେ dx square minus y square, dz square. और along the axis ରେ px, py, pz भी ଆସିବେ. Aufbau's principle. Filling of electrons occurs in order of energy. The electron will first go into the lower level of and then to the higher. Quantum number. Principal quantum number tell us the principal energy level of electrons or cell number. N square is equals to number of orbitals. 2n square है number of electrons in the cell maximum. Azimuthal quantum number L tells us about the subcells of the electron L. L values can be from n equals to 0 to n equals to n minus 1. Example n is equals to 4 L is equals to 0, 1, 2, 3. Third magnetic quantum number M tells us about the orientation value minus L to L. Number of values 2L plus 1 minus L2 plus L. The spin only plus M and minus M plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Nodes n minus L minus 1. Number of radial nodes n minus L minus 1. Number of angular nodes L. Total nodes n minus 1. इसको इक्वट कर दो 0 के साथ. फाइंड नोड्स इन साइड 2s. इसको इक्वट कर दो 0 के साथ. n plus lth rule. n plus lth value greater will be the energy. If n plus l value is same for 2, then the subcell number will be higher. Value of n higher will be the energy. N is greater than L. M is less than equals to magnitude of L. L is equals to SPDF 0, 1, 2, 3. Energy of an orbital is equals to 1 upon Z effective. Atomic number top to bottom decreases. Hydrogen 2s1 value is greater than lithium 2s1 value and energy levels. Spectrum, continuous spectrum, emission spectrum, dark plus space or absorption spectrum plus Roig big volta wala सब. Electron of 5f orbital can bond more properly as compared to 4f as 4f is the बेसी भीतर है. Hydrogen is a single electron system. It have only cells, no subcells. 3n में जितने भी हुए ऑर्बिटल्स हैं उन सब की एनर्जी लेवल सेम है हाइड्रोजन में ओनली. Ionization energy of an atoms or moles E equals to hc by lambda into Na. Lambda is equals to h by under 2m ke. Kinetic E equals to h mu into Na. Energy of an absorbed kinetic energy plus E minimum. N orbital is the only electron wave function is psi. Spin only magnetic moment is directly opposite to number of unpaired electrons. Moment is equals to under root of n whole into n plus 2 Bohr magneton. 1 is equals to 1.9 Bohr magneton. Degenerate जहाँ n plus n value same थी वहाँ degenerate same L m value same energy वाला है degenerate cells but different m value. X z by a. X z है atomic number of proton, atomic mass number of proton plus neutron. Neutral है a minus z. Number of electron है proton minus charges of one atom. Ionization energy per mole E equals to hc by lambda into Na multiply 10 raised to minus 3 for kilojoule from joule. Energy released है mass of the reactant आगे जाते minus mass of product 1 by minus mass of product 2. इसला जो हमारे इसला Q value of the given reaction. Bohr's only one single electron. Power is equals to n hc by lambda. N number of photon power by energy. Number of orbitals in a subcells 2l plus 1. Maximum electron in a particular subcells 2 into 2l plus 1. Orbital angular momentum. Orbital means L. So orbital angular momentum L is equals to h by 2 pi under root of L whole to L plus 1. Spin angular momentum h by 2 pi under root of s whole into s plus 1, maximum spin of an atom, half into number of unpaired electrons. N is equals to energy of electrons subcell level. L है azimuthal quantum number subcells or sublevels. M है orientation of the electron. S है spin of the electrons. S है plus or minus half. M है plus or minus L. L is equals 0 to n minus 1. L है 0 1 2 3 SPDF. 55 proton is equals to uni positive है 54 CS2 CS plus 1s है psi square এটা है R nucleus. थोड़ा भी लग रही पी है psi square into R 0 से start हमेशा सिर्फ P in psi square. Wavelength lambda, distance between the successive crest or trough of a wave. Time period, T is equals to 1 by mu. Amount of time a wave takes to travel one wavelength in seconds. Wave number, frequency per bar is equals to 1 by lambda. It may be defined as the number of waves in unit length. Frequency mu है number of cycle per second. Wavelength है the distance. Discovery of electron. These rays are independent of the nature of gas and electrode placed in the discharge tube. Discovery of proton. The nature of E by M ratios of energy depends upon the nature of gas present in cathode ray tube. EM radiation, electrical magnetic propagation. All three are perpendicular to each other. Propagation at vacuum takes place at the speed of light, 3 into 10 to the power minus 8 meter. Photoelectric effect. Important statement. No time lag between ejection of electrons and striking of metal surface. Minimum frequency for photoelectron is threshold frequency. Number of photoelectrons is direct proportional to intensity of light. Kinetic energy of photoelectrons is direct proportional to frequency of light. If frequency remains constant, then number of photon increase is equals to saturation current increase. If frequency increases, then saturation current same रहता है constant. Photoelectric effect can be explained by particle theory of light. Photocurrent is directly proportional to intensity of incident radiations. Kinetic energy maximum does not depend on intensity of incident light. If intensity increases, current also increases. If temperature increases, no effect. Shortest wavelength high energy. Bohr's atomic model limitations could not explain the line spectra of multi-electron atoms. He failed to explain Zeeman and Stark effect in presence of electrified magnetic field, unable to explain doublet and triplet lines in spectrum, and violates the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Flux or photon density is equal to number of photon emitted per second plus power by energy. E by hc lambda. Photon flux, number of photon per second per unit area. Intensity by time energy. Photon density is equals to I lambda by hc square. De Broglie hypothesis. If light behaves as particle, then physical particles too can behave as waves. Principal quantum number n. It tells us about the cell to which the electron belongs. Azimuthal quantum number L tells us about the subcells and shape of the subcells. Filling of the atomic orbital above principal present in sort. Principal exclusion principle in a Pauli's exclusion. In a single atomic, no two electrons will have identical sets or same quantum numbers. Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Before the double occupation of any orbital, every orbital in the sublevel is singly occupied. For maximum total spin, all electrons in a singly occupied have same spin. Dalton's atomic theory and their limitations. Constituent particles in every matter are only atoms. Constituent particles can be atoms, molecules. Atoms can neither be created nor be broken. Atoms can be divided into subatomic particles. Every atom in substance should have only one type of property, but hydrogen have three different types. Different substance की property हमेशा different होगी. Cr and R. For radial distributed graph for L is equals to H having least value of n psi square for a ग्राफ में कौन से स्टार्ट होता है और वो भी लीस्ट वैल्यू मतलब 3D रेडियल मतलब n minus L minus 20 ground state helium plus electron ejected when energy provided find the maximum number of spectral lengths. Ionization stable ionization energy of helium liquid 13.6 joules by n whole square. Energy of ejected electron energy of photon which makes strike it minus energy it ionization energy of hydrogen then 12.5 when this electron is attached to H plus n equals to 1 to n equals to 4 spectral lines possible. Excited state of carbon atom all possible. Excited होकर 2 to 3 ऑर्बिटल खुद गई